Your mistakes and failures in the past doesn't define who you are. But what defines you really is the person who you become after all of the challenges and struggles na pinagdaanan mo.
Mister!
Alam mo ba na you will not be successful, you won't achieve anything if you keep on holding on the past mistakes, shortcomings, and failures na pinagdaanan mo. At dahil sa mga pagkakamali mo na yan, expect mo na, a lot of people will criticize you, say bad things about you. Pero huwag mo silang pansinin, don't mind them. Dahil hindi rin naman sila perfect. Tanggapin mo na lang.
Meron talagang mga taong pinanganak para i-criticize ka.
And of course, bilang normal na person, tendency talaga natin minsan nagkakamali tayo. So ano ang pwede natin gawin for us to totally let go and move forward? Ang una sa mga step na pwede natin gawin at dapat natin palang gawin is you have to forgive yourself and accept the mistakes. Mahirap patawarin ang sarili pero this is the biggest step. The first step actually. Para ma-let go mo ang mga bagay para tuluyan at maging successful ka. At magsimula na mag-move forward. So learn from the mistakes, the challenges, the struggles and failures na pinagdaanan mo. Learn from it and continuously improve. And always remember, keep this in mind. Your mistake and failures in the past doesn't define who you are. But what defines you is the person who you become after all ng pinagdaanan mo. At sana naman meron tayong natutunan sa simpleng topic na na-share sa'yo. And don't forget to subscribe and share this to as many friends as you want. Because this just sharing targets not only to provide learning topics but also to influence others to be better. So once again, I am ASV, also known as Mr. Positive Saying. Let's make a difference and be great at all times. See you in the next one.